Hi folks, Ani here, one of the co-founders of DealPage, and I'm here with a short tutorial of setting up content sharing and content tracks in the DealPage app. There are two key benefits to setting up content sharing with DealPage. The first is really deep insights and analytics into what exactly in your content is working and what's not working. With DealPage, you'll see who's opening your content, how long they're looking at it, what pages they're looking at, for how long, and then even in some cases what questions they have after looking at specific pieces of content. This is going to be really helpful as you iterate and kind of improve your content over time. The second key benefit is increasing engagement. Teams that share content with DealPage see 30 to 50% more engagement with their content. And in things like sales or getting investments from potential VCs, engagement is really the name of the game. The more someone like a viewer engages with your content, the more they're going to understand your team, your business, what makes you special, what makes you cool, and that makes you more likely to get a yes at whatever kind of journey you're on, whether it's a sale or a potential investment. So I'm going to show you in just a couple quick minutes how to get started with DealPage and how you can kind of start your journey towards increasing engagement, getting better insights into your sales materials. So I'm going to start on a content track, a pitch deck for us. It's very easy to import content into your content library. You can drag and drop them from your desktop. You can upload them from one of our connected integrations. You can give us a URL. You can upload videos, PowerPoints, images. Super flexible. When you upload files to your content library in DealPage, we use a multimodal AI kind of processing pipeline to extract a bunch of information, index it, and make it available for search. And when a viewer or you or someone in your team has a question about anything, the AI will search over that content and provide the best answer possible. So let's get started. So I have a pitch deck uploaded here. This is going to be kind of the starting point for our content track. You can obviously see the content on the left and a little sneak peek of the types of analytics you can see on the right. So the first key step is going to be configuring the viewing experience for whoever you're going to be sending this document to. So I have a couple of kind of options here. I can enable or disable chat. I can configure what sources I want the model to have access to. These different sources are kind of different parts of the DealPage knowledge base. I can set up kind of starter questions for the viewer. A lot of times you want a viewer to kind of dive deeper into a particular thing based on their background. In a sales context, I might want them to ask about what we're building next, or what integrations we support, or how easy it is to get started. If I'm sending an investor deck out, I might want them to ask about our revenue or our biggest customers, or anything that I think sells us well. I can also add suggested content, and this is going to be really important to kind of extend that buyer's journey and get more engagement. In this case, I'm starting with a pitch deck, a sales pitch. I want to take them into our, some other content from DealPage, a demo video, some documentation, some getting started information, and then a call to action or a contact us page. All this super easy to kind of configure within the DealPage app. So let's get started on sharing it. So I hit the share button. I can enable link access and copy a link, and I have a bunch of other options here based on, how secure I need that link to be, whether I want, anyone to be able to open it or very specific people. It's all available here. So let's open a new tab and go to this document. In this case, I asked for an email gate, and here I have reached the gate. So let me input my email and view the document. So while I'm doing this, DealPage is always collecting insights into what I'm doing on the page and kind of relaying back that content back to us in the DealPage app, giving us notifications when I open it or ask a question or anything like that. So I have the content on the left. I have some other information to kind of like guide me through this process on the right. You can see a summary here. Let's go ahead and ask a question. I can click this button and open our AI chat, and what you'll see is the model kind of looking through a number of different sources and giving us an answer. You can tailor your answers, the model's tone, and more using the DealPage knowledge base, and it gets better over time as you or your users kind of give us some feedback. So, I could potentially go through this entire content journey and kind of click some more links, but I think you get the idea. We're, of course, tracking what links they click on and how far people are going along this journey, where they're dropping off, to kind of help you tune this content track over time. I've gotten to our call to action page, which was the last spot in our BIOS journey. This is literally just a embedded kind of URL from our landing page. This could be a contract or honestly whatever your final steps are. So this is really useful as you might notice, hey, like, certain pages are resonating, some pages people are skipping over, and it can kind of help you tune your content over time. Again, the main benefits here, deep insights into your content. The second is going to be better engagement. People are going to be more invested in what you're selling them. You're more likely to get to the yes at the end of the day. If anything here looks interesting, you want to give DealPage a whirl. Super easy to get started. We offer free trials and all of that good stuff. Feel free to reach out at ani@dealpage.ai anytime. We're here to help. Thanks.